mangroves are vital guardians of our coastlines, protecting them from storm surges and erosion, and acting as natural buffers against the forces of nature. But like many ecosystems, mangroves are increasingly threatened by climate change. Rising sea levels pose a direct threat to mangrove forests, flooding the areas where they grow and disrupting their delicate ecosystems. Mangroves play a crucial role in mitigating climate change. They act as powerful carbon sinks, capturing and storing carbon in their soils. However, when they are degraded, they release this stored carbon back into the atmosphere, worsening the effects of climate change. Here are how mangrove experts carry out the study.
Given the height, you can estimate this one as around 7.5 meters. The species is Psilocarpus granatum. The species we differentiate by the nature of the leaves and also the bark.
The study areas that we've used for this component, we adopted the mangrove management blocks that are in the mangrove management plan. And these blocks are 14 in number across the Kenyan coastline. Some of the key findings that we've been able to see is that the mangroves along the coastline, as we know, they are dynamics and they are affected differently in terms of climate change. But what we can see is that generally the whole coastline is moderately vulnerable to impacts of climate change, except for Kipini and Mtotana that were low vulnerable, and this brings in the aspect of the interventions that needs to be carried out in the areas that are moderately vulnerable, so that we can improve on the biodiversity and the ecosystem integrity and its ability to adapt to impacts of climate change like the sea level rise that we are experiencing.